Hey, Tech Like Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to upload PDFs to Google Gemini. So it's really helpful to use Google Gemini to summarize documents for you, and you might want to summarize a PDF with Google Gemini. So there's a few different ways you can upload them to Google Gemini. So in a new chat, you can click on the plus icon to add files. So if you've got your Google Drive connected, you can add PDFs from there. So if I click on there, it takes me to my Google Drive account and I can click on any PDF and upload it to there. The other option you have is to click on add files and upload a PDF from your computer. So if I click on there, then I'm going to search for a PDF and see which ones I've got. So I'll click on there, click on open, and then that will be uploaded to Gemini. Then I can say something like, can you summarize this PDF? And then give it a few seconds to load, and it will give you a quick summary of that PDF, which can be really helpful. It saves you a bit of time, especially if you deal with a lot of PDFs. So as you can see, it's given me an overview of what it says in my PDF, and I can just have a quick read of that instead of reading the whole thing. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.